Hello! Thank you for joining me for story time. Today we are reading Go Dog Go, P.D. Eastman's Book of Things That Go. Let's jump right in. Go Dog Go, P.D. Eastman's Book of Things That Go. Go, dogs, go! Go by skates or by bike. Go by foot, run, skip, or hike. Go by scooter, go by skis. Bundle up so you don't freeze. Go by blimp. By boat. By car. Go dogs go, it's not too far. Stop dogs stop, the light is red. Go dogs go, it's green ahead. You're almost there, stop at that tree. Climb that ladder to a dog party! Awesome, that's it. Thanks for joining me for story time. See you next time. Bye-bye.